Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Opening a new incognito window in Google Chrome is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome. Now you are seeing three dots at the top right corner. Click on it. Now click on New Incognito window. Incognito window has been opened. You can search and do everything in this window. There you go. If you wanted to know how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.